This is question number 2. A program uses turtle graphics to draw a simple image. This is the image that must be produced. Both the circle and outside square are centered on the horizontal and vertical grid lines. The output square is 4 times 400 times 400. The circle is 200 across. The circle outline is colored gold. All other lines are black. The program has errors and does not work correctly. Open file q02.python file and amend the code to the following. Okay, I'm going to open the program. File, open. This is number 2. Okay, this is a program. If I'm going to run, then what will be the output? Okay, the program is running but it shows error. Okay, I'm going to close the program. Okay, what I will do, number 1, add a comment to identify the data types of the argument to the turtle mode subprogram call on original line 19. Turtle.mode, that is standard. I'm going to display the line numbers, show line number. Okay, I'm going to write the comment here. Okay, this is, I have given the comment. Next, fix the name error on original line 23 screen.setup width and height. Line number 23. Line number 23 screen.setup width height. E is missing. Here E is missing. Between HI, E is missing. I'm writing E. Height. Okay. Next, this has done. Next one is fix the attribute on original line, that is 28. Okay, the turtle equal to turtle. Okay, on line number 28. Line number 28, the turtle equal to turtle. Okay, create a turtle. Here what I will do, I will make T should be capital because Python is a case sensitive language. That's why it makes the sense between uppercase and small cases. Next question is fix the type error on original line 36, the turtle dot pen down on line number 36. Line number 36. The turtle pen down 100. They have written fix the type error. Okay, when you are going to be pen down, the value there should be not any parameter for that. Okay, I'm going to remove this value. It should be the turtle dot pen down. Next question, fix the logical error that causes the vertical axis to be too far right on the original line 42. Mean the turtle set positions 100, 200. Line number 42. Line number 42. It should be from 0 to 200. Okay, because if it will start from 100, there will be a gap. Next question, fix the logical error that causes the vertical axis to be drawn too short on original line 48. The turtle dot forward should be forward 100. Line number 48. Line number 48. the turtle dot forward 100. Here what you will write? Fix the logical error that causes the vertical axis to be drawn too short. Okay, and you know that the width and height is maximum. They have given 400 by 400. That's why you will utilize maximize 400. Next question. Fix the logic error that causes the outside square to tilt left of the vertical axis on the original line number 56. On original line number 56, and you have written 95. You have written 95. Okay, because if you want to write exact state, that then angle should be 90. Exact should be, set heading should be 90. Okay, next question is, add a line to the set the size of the pen to constant big on original line 68. Original line 68. This is line number 68. Here you will write, add a line to the set size of the pen to the constant big. You will write the turtle dot pen size. Next you will define the size, and I am writing here big. Okay, this is the variable that they have already defined at the top, big, that is value is 8. Okay, you have defined this. Next question. Question number, add a line to set the color of the pen to gold in original line 71. You want to set it gold. Line number 71. Here you will write, add a line to set the color of the pen to gold. You will write the turtle dot pen color. Which color you want? Gold. They must write me with in double quotation gold. Next question. Add a line to hide the turtle on original line 78. Original line 78, and here you will write a command that will hide the turtle. You will write the turtle dot hide. The turtle dot hide turtle. Okay. Now you can run the program. Run the program and check the output. Okay. Now my program is running. You can see that they have drawn the x-axis and y-axis with the scale. Yes, they are using the gold. Okay. This one is the Python turtle. Now I'm going to close this one. Okay, student, if you have any question, please write me in comment.